Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Makeup Monday. I'll be doing a quick tutorial for you every Monday. And today I'm going to do a green eyeshadow tutorial using the Kat Von D Saint Center palette and Visual Editorial matte palette. So starting off using the light green shade in the Visual palette all over my lid with a big fluffy brush. And I'm just working out all of my crease and lid. Next, I'm going to use the light green shade and the blue shade in my crease just to build up that color. And that's pretty much what I'm going to continue to do for the rest of the video. I'm just building up that color and mixing it in, make sure it gets like a darker green until you get to the intensity that you want. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the Kat Von D Saint Center palette, and I'm going to use the shade Exodus all over my lid. So at this point you can stop here if you want. I decided to take the light green shade from the Visual palette underneath my eye, and I just smoked that out. But you can just, use the liner, lashes, and you'll be done. Also put the shade Relic in the inner tear duct of my eye from the Saint Center palette. Just give it more pop. And I took Lancome's Grandiose mascara, on my lashes. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel because I make new videos every week. Hit the notification bell, you'll know when I post. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.